Good evening, students. Today, welcome to class. Today we are going to discuss about the position of the center of mass. Entity position of the center of mass. Here, three coordinates: x coordinate, y coordinate, and z coordinate. First of all, we find out the only for x coordinate the position of the center of mass of the particle. Two particle system. How many particle system here? Two particle system. Here, see here, coordinates of center of mass, discrete system of particles. Now, first of all, what is the center of mass statement? The statement of the center of mass. Listen first here. Here, the center of mass is defined as the point where the total mass of the system, is concentrated, is called as here center of mass, okay. Here the center of mass refers to motion of the body, okay. Now the center of mass is depends on the mass of the body, Now we were discussing about the only for here the position of the center of mass, two particle system. Now listen here, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. Here two point masses m1 m2 and m2. These two particles on x axis along x coordinate, the distances of these two particles from the origin, here x1 and x2, okay, the center of mass is in between two system, nothing but here two particles, point masses. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనకి రెండు పార్టికల్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం, ఆ పార్టికల్స్ అనేటి కొద్దిగా దూరంలో విడబాటుగా సెపరేషన్ బిట్వీన్ టూ పార్టికల్స్. దీస్ టూ పార్టికల్స్ distances here x1 and x2 from the origin along x axis, here. Listen, the fifth diagram. First of all, position of center of mass, okay, center of mass. This is only for x coordinate, here this one y axis, this one here y axis, okay, this one here x axis, this one here x axis. How many coordinates here? Two. Y coordinate, this one x coordinate. Now o is a origin, origin. So two point masses, there are here m1 and m2 on x axis, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నట్టే రెండు పాయింట్ మాసెస్ తీసుకుంటున్నా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ వన్ ఇయర్ పాయింట్ మాస్ ఇస్ హియర్ m1, అనదర్ వన్ దిస్ వన్ ఇయర్ masses here m2. These two point masses on x axis, x coordinate, okay. Now first particle, the distance of the first particle from the origin, here x1, distance here x1, okay. The second particle, the distance of the second particle from the origin, this one here x2, అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ పార్టికల్ ఎంత దూరంలో ఉంది? x1. Second particle here x2. The distance between two separation of these two particles here, for example d, this one here, the distance these two particles point masses separation here small d, okay. Now the center of mass in between, for example these two masses, అంటే for example this point C is a point, C is here center of mass of these two particle system, ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే now the center of mass will be near to aviary body, ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ చూడండి, చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అండి. ఈ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ అనేది ఈ రెండు కణాల మధ్య ఏ కణం యొక్క ద్రవ్యరాశి ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుందో ఆ కణానికి ఈ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ దగ్గరగా ఉంటుంది. ఇయర్ దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే ద సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ విల్ బి నియర్ టు ఏవియర్ బాడీ, ఇప్పుడు సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ అనేది దేని దగ్గర ఉంది? M2 కా m1 का m1 అక్కడ దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి m1 గ్రేటర్ దెన్ హియర్ m2 m1 greater than m2 near clear. Now this center of mass from the first particle, for example r1, the center of mass from to second particle here, for example r2, this distance here r1, this distance here r2. Okay, the distance between two particles d, the distance between two particles here d, r1, the distance between from m1 particle to center of mass, r2 means the distance of m2 particle from the center of mass. Now this center of mass from the origin here, for example xcm, this xcm. Okay, how many terms here? x1, x2, xcm, d, r1 and r2. Listen carefully. The center of mass, cm is a center of mass, cm is a center of mass from the origin, here distance is xcm. This is called here position of the center of mass along x coordinate, here xcm means xcm means here position of center of mass, two particle system, center of two particle system. This is a xcm, only for xcm. Now here the distance of the center of mass from the particle inversely proportional to the mass of the particle. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ నుండి ఆ పార్టికల్ ఎంత దూరం ఉందో ఆ దూరం అనేది ఆ కణం యొక్క ద్రవ్యరాశికి విలోమానుపాతంలో ఉంటుంది. The distance of particle from the center of mass is inversely proportional to the mass of the particle. That means listen carefully, here r directly proportional to m. For example r inversely proportional to m. Here the distance of particle from the center of mass is inversely proportional to mass of the particle. Here two particle system. Now inversely proportional, that means here r1 m1 is equal to here r2 m2. This is clear. Distance and mass, these are inversely proportional, that means r1 m1 is equal to r2 m2. Now find out the position of the center of mass, two particle system. Now listen carefully. First of all, here r1 is equal to, here r1 is equal to, this is a r1. Okay, r1 is equal to xcm minus just x1. Listen carefully, r1 is equal to xcm means position of the center of mass minus x1. Okay, position of the center of mass minus here x1. Now this one here only r1. Next r2 is equal to, here r2 is equal this one here r2. So r2 is equal to x2 minus xcm, this one, this distance minus this one distance. అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ దేనిలోకి x2 minus xcm, x2 minus position of the center of minus r2 is equal to here x2 minus xcm. These two equations here, for example a, this for example this equation here b. Okay, these two equations, substituting in equation 1, after we will get the position of the center of mass two particle system. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఈ r1 వాల్యూని r2 వాల్యూస్ని ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి సమీకరణంలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, r1 is equal to values here xcm minus x1, ఈ r2 values here x minus xcm, now from here, from 1 a and b, so here R1 means x capital XCM minus x1 into m1 is equal to, next R2 values x2 minus XCM. XCM means position of the center of mass into here m2. This one is simplies inside XCM m1 minus x1 m1 is equal to, tell me, inside multiplication here x2 m2 minus XCM m2. Now we find out the position of the center of mass of given to particle system. Ikkada this one here taken left side, this one here taken left side, this one here taken here right side. ఈ టర్మ్స్ ని తీసుకెళ్ళాలి రైట్ పాజిటివ్, దిస్ టర్మ్ ని లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే ఏమవుతుంది మనకి పాజిటివ్. నౌ సింప్లైజ్ XCM m1, this one term here place XCM m2 is equal to remaining terms x2 m2 plus this one here positive, so x1, tell me, x1 m1. Here common term XCM is a common term here. Now simplies here XCM is a common term, that is into remaining terms here m1 plus m2, that is equal to here x2 m2 plus here x1 m1. So XCM means the position of the center of mass of the given two particles along only for x coordinate, అంటే ఇది ఒక x అక్షానికి సంబంధించింది మాత్రమే. Now this is now simplies here, therefore position of the center of mass along the x component, only for x component here x1 m1 plus x2 m2 by here this one m1 plus m2. This is the position of center of mass of the given two particle system along the only x component, only for x component, only two particle system. 3, 4 extra particles ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి, ఆఫ్టర్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్టికల్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మరి, నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్టికల్స్ ఉంటే ఏంది XCM is equal to number of particles formula x1 m1 plus x2 m2 plus x3 m3 up to so and so by total mass, so here m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, this is a system of the position of the center of mass given number of particles along the x axis. Now similarly y and z component, ikkada y రాస్తే ఏం రాయాలి, ఇక్కడ YCM means y1 m1 y2 m2 y3 m3 so and so by total mass, y component. Next z component, ZCM is equal to Z1 m1 plus Z2 m2 m2 plus Z3 m3 so and so, okay, by total mass. This is the here the position of center of mass of the two particle system along x axis. Okay, note this one. Okay, here problem here, this problem based on center of mass, already we were previous discuss about the center of position of the center of mass. Here two dimension means two coordinates. Here listen first to this one problem, very important in IP, 4 marks in IPE intermediate public examination at AP and TS. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మనకి చూసినట్టయితే క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో అడిగిన సందర్భాలు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఒకసారి లిజన్ హియర్. ఫైండ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ హియర్, ఫైండ్ ద సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ 3 particles, 3 particles. See how many particles here? 3 particles at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. The masses of the particles are 100. Here, masses of the particles. How many? 100 grams, 200 grams, and here 150 grams and 200 grams. Respectively, each side of the equilateral triangle is 0.5 meters. 0.5 meters. Here, each side. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనకి 3 particles. The masses of the 3 particles here 100 grams, 150 grams, and 200 grams. These are placed at the vertices of the equilateral triangle. The side of the equilateral side here 0.5 meters. 0.5 meters. Find the centrum of the mass of the system. Okay, given system. First of all, listen. Here given values here. Values m1 is equal to how much here? Mass. m1 100 grams, and m2 is equal to 150 grams, and m3 is equal to 200 grams. Okay. Now equilateral triangle. This one here, for example, x component, this one here x axis, this is a y axis. Okay. Equilateral triangle means each side of the triangle here same. Okay. Each side of the triangle here same. ప్రతి సైడ్ తీసుకున్నట్టయితే ఎంత ఉంటుందో అది సేమ్ సైడ్ 0.5. Okay. This is a equilateral triangle. Now these masses at points, this one O is a origin. Here O is a origin. Okay. First 100 grams. How many here? 100 grams. This one 200 grams. Here, this one here 150 grams. Okay. Third one
200 grams.
here 200 grams. These are vertices. Now find out the central mass of the system. Now coordinates of this triangle. Here this one x1, y1. This is a x2 comma y2. Here this one here x3 comma y3. Here coordinates starting point 100 grams at what is one side at the origin. X coordinate how much here? 0. Y coordinate also 0. x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0. Here x1 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 0. Next 150 grams placed on the only for x coordinate. So how much here distance here? The east side of the equilateral triangle here 0.5 meters. 0.5 meters. This also here 0.5 meters. Okay. 0.5 meters. x2 is equal to how much distance here from the origin? 0.5. 0.5. y2 0 because of the particle placed on the x-axis. So here y2 is equal to here 0. Now second one here x2 is equal to 0.5 meter and here y2 is equal to here 0 meter. Okay. Next one x3 is equal to and here y3. Now this is a this particle placed in between x, y and x plane. y and x plane, xy plane లో ఉంది. పార్టికల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ xy plane. Now this distance of this particle here, distance of the y axis. So this is the x axis, this one here x axis. Half of the equilateral triangle, ఎంత అవుతుంది? how much here distance? This distance here, it distance 0.5. okay, how much here this one? half 0.25. క్లియర్? అర్థమవుతుంది ఇది ఇలా హాఫ్ పార్ట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ x3 is equal to 0. here x3 is equal to 0.25 meters. Now y component here, y3 from the y axis, this is here, this one here y3, this one here y3. clear? Now draw the first of all right triangle. This one here, this is the each side of the equilateral triangle 0.5. this one here origin, this one here 0.25. this is for example, this one here for example x question mark, this is x, this is y3, this one here y coordinate. okay, clear? now according to for example O, for example here B, this is C. okay, the central mass of this system, for example at C point, for example find out the central mass of the system at point C, for example. now according to this triangle, for using Pythagoras theorem, so here y3 0.5 whole square is equal to base 0.25 square plus here y3 square. clear? this diagram, from the diagram, okay, OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. we want only for y3, here y3 means y3 square is equal to this one here 0.5 square minus this is taken left side minus 0.5. okay, square. now 0.5, that means 1/2, that means here 1/2 square is equal to 1/4. 1/2 square is equal to 1/4. so this is equal to here 1/4. clear? here minus here 0.25, that is equal to 1/4, that is equal to here 1/4. 1/4 square is equal to 1/16. 1/16. this is LCM, this one here LCM. now simplies here y3 is equal to 16 minus here 4, 16 minus 4 into 16. now 16 minus 4, 16 minus 4 remaining 12. okay, 12. here y3 square is equal to 12 by 4 into 16. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 4 3 ja 3. that is equal to here y3 is equal to 3 by 16. 3 by 16. now y3 square is equal to 3 by 16. now finally y3 is equal to under root of here y3, that is equal to here y3 is equal to under root of root 3 by 16. that is equal to here root 3 by 4. clear? root 3 by 4, that means here 1/4 is equal to 0.25 into root 3. so this is y3 values here, substituting here y3 values is 0.25 root 3. this is y3. okay, clear? note this one first of all. it is also దీన్ని కూడా మనము నోట్ చేసుకోండి. now first of all the position of the three particle system along the x coordinate, so now draw the diagram. Three values here, given values x1 0, y1 0, x2 0.5, y2 0. 0, x3 0.25 meters, y3 0.25 into root 3. Now position of the x center of mass along the x axis here, x cm is equal to how many particles here? Given particles 3 particles. Here formula means x1 m1 plus x2 m2 plus x3 m3 by total mass m1 plus m2 plus here m3. Now these values here substituting, now after we will get here xcm is equal to x1 0, tell me 0 into here m1 100, okay, plus x2 0.5 into 150 plus x3 0.25 into m3 200 by total mass here 100 plus 150 plus 200. Now this is 0, this one here 0 plus this one 0 cancel, remaining 5 into 15 5 ja 75, okay, 0 plus 75 plus here 20 get cancel, okay, 25 2 ja 50, okay, clear. This total mass 450, okay, simplies here xcm is equal to 75 plus 50 125 here 125 by 450, okay, 25 5 ja 25 sorry 25 5 ja 125 25 3 ja here 25 1 ja remaining 25 5 ja 25 remaining 20 into 0 200 25 8 ja. So therefore the position of the center of mass along x coordinate xcm is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి given values here 5/18 centimeters, okay, centimeters, given values here centimeters, okay. This is only for x coordinate, Next y coordinate, the position of the along the y coordinate. Note this one, clear. X values here xcm is equal to
5/18 centimeters.
Here xcm is equal to 5/18 centimeters, okay, cm. Now ycm is equal to, next ycm formula, tell me. Ycm is equal to y1 m1 plus y2 m2 plus y3 m3 by total mass here m1 plus m2 plus here m3, okay. Here y1 value is 0, next plus into 100 kada 100 plus y2 also 0 into something values here 150, okay, plus remaining y3 0.25 root 3 into 200 okay, 1 2 3, so 2 remain teachers that values here 0 plus this one here 1 2, tell me ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ here 1 2 3 తీసేయండి రెండు ఫాస్ట్ ఒక లీవ్ ఇట్ 2 zeros 2 zeros క్యాన్సల్ చేసి ఇక్కడికి వస్తుందా అంటే ఫైనల్లీ First of all, 25 root 3 into 200. Okay, 2 zeros వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. 25 2 ja 50 root 3 into 100 into 100. Now that is equal to 55 root 3. 1 by 2 root 3 unda values. Here, see it, book. Tell me, values here. This values calculating after we will get values here. This values here 1 by root 3 under root 3 here. So here YCM is equal to 1 by 3 under root 3. This is a y coordinate. So finally the center mass of the system, the coordinates of center mass of the system XCM and YCM is equal to, now note this one, centimeter, this one here meters. Finally values, the coordinates of center mass of the system. Now listen here, coordinates of center of mass of the given system is here XCM comma here by CM is equal to how much here? First values here. First value is 5 by 18 here 5 by 18 comma meters comma here remaining 1 by 3 root 3. This is a meters. This one here x, this one here position of the x component, this one here position of the y component. Note this one. Okay, here next one. This problem is very very important in IP. Repeated questions and TS and AP. Given problem here, see here, find the scalar and vector product of two vectors. Find the scalar and vector products vectors of two vectors. Here given vectors here, a values here 3i minus 4j plus 5k and b is equal to minus 2i plus j minus 3k. These are given vectors. Find out the here scalars and vector, scalar product and vector product. First of all listen, scalar dot product, here dot product is equal to 1, I dot I is equal to j dot j is equal to here k dot k is equal to here 1. Clear? Next vector product, I cross I is equal to j cross j is equal to here k cross k is equal to 0. This is a scalar vector product. This one here scalar product. Now first of all find out the scalar product. Answer here. Okay, here scalar product A dot B scalar product means here A dot B. A values here given values is equal to 3i minus 4j plus tell me 5k into your dot. Okay, now B values minus 2i plus j minus 3k. Okay, these are cap means unit vectors. Here cap means here unit vectors. Now given plus into minus here plus into minus I into I 1 so 3 2 ja 6. Okay, next here j values, j components, y component minus into plus minus. Okay, j into j 1 so 4 1 ja 4. Okay, remaining 4 plus into minus okay 15, that is equal to 25 minus 25 units here. A dot B is equal to 5 minus 25 here units. Okay, this one here scalar product. Next one, vector product. Next one here, vector product. Now second one, this one here, first one, this one here, second one, vector product, vector product. Okay, a cross b here is equal to I comma ijk, I values here. First one, first company, I minus plus 3, j values here minus 4, okay, k values plus 5, okay. Now b values here minus 2, 1 minus 3, this is a modulus, okay. Now simplifies, tell me I into, this is a j component, column removing 3 plus into minus, okay, 3 3 ja 9, okay. Next minus into, yeah, this is a minus, okay, minus into plus, minus 2 5 ja 10, minus 10, okay, clear. Here minus j. Next one, this is a sorry, first one, first column removing, sorry for I into here, this one minus into minus, first of all plus 4 3 ja 12, minus here 5, okay, minus j. Next this one plus into minus, minus 9, minus here minus 10, plus k, next this column removing 3 1 ja 3, okay, 3 minus here, minus into minus, plus 2 4 ja 8, okay. Now simplifies here, this terms 7 plus 7, clear, plus 7 here, remaining minus into plus, minus into minus, plus 10, minus 9, remaining 1, okay, plus 1 or minus 1, plus 1, okay, one terms రాస్తుంది ఇక, minus j into here minus 9 plus 10, okay, here plus k into minus 5, finally here a cross b is equal to I 7 I here plus 1, okay, here minus into plus, minus remaining just j. Next finally plus into minus 5k, this is a 5k. Answer this one here, vector product. This one here, vector product. Note this one, clear. Note this one. See here, next problem here. This problem number of times given to question paper TS and AP. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూసినట్టయితే మనకి తెలంగాణ ప్రాంతంలో కానీ ఇక్కడ ఆంధ్ర ప్రాంతంలో కానీ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ చూసినట్టయితే ప్రతి సంవత్సరము ఈ 2 మార్క్స్లో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్తాడు. కొద్దిగా జాగ్రత్తగా లిజన్ టు కేర్ఫుల్లీ ఇయర్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇయర్, సి ఇయర్, ఫైండ్ ద టార్క్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఫోర్స్ 7i plus 3j minus 5k about the origin. The force acts on a particle whose position vector is I minus j plus k. Here position vector r is equal to force vector here given. This one here force vector, this one here force vector, and this one here given position vector. Find the torque. First of all, formula according to scheme of evaluation, the formula given 1 mark, given to 1 mark, and solution 1 mark. Total marks here 2 marks. Total marks any 2 marks. First of all, formula torque is equal to here position vector into cross, position vector into here force vector, position vector into force vector, okay, position vector into force vector. That means here simplifies tau is equal to r bar means vector into f bar, okay. Now this is a 1 mark, ikkada varaku manaku rasta 1 mark vastundi. Now here position vector r bar is equal to that values here I cap minus j cap plus phi cap. Here force vector is equal to given values I 7I plus 3j plus tell me 5 minus 5k. Okay, cap means here unit vectors, unit vectors, 3 dimensions. These are here 3 dimensions vectors. Now this values here torque is equal to r cross f, that is equal to that is I j k. Okay, unit vectors. R values, first of all position vector 1 minus 1 plus 1. Next force vector 7 3 minus 5. Okay, now tell me, simplifies here tau is equal to, first of all I into this minus into minus plus. Okay, 1 5 ja 5 plus 5 minus 3 1 ja 3. Okay, minus k. Next this one plus into minus 1 5 ja minus 5 minus 5. Okay, minus next
minus 7.
minus 7 plus k. Sorry, this one here j, this one here k. Okay, last one, this column 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 minus here 7 plus into minus plus into minus. Okay, 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7. Okay, this one step here, torque, the force acting on the particle, torque is equal to here 2I, this is plus minus 5 minus 7
12j
minus 12 minus into minus plus. Okay, 12j. Okay, next this one minus into plus minus into minus plus 7 plus 3 plus 10 plus 10. This is okay, this one here answer, this answer is 1 mark, this one here 1 mark. Okay, this one here 1 mark, this formula also here 1 mark. Very important in IPE, TS and AP. Note this one. Okay, next one problem is, see here problem here, if a mod of a cross b is equal to modulus of a dot b, then find the angle between a vector a and vector b. Here given values vector product and scalar product. Here vector product is equal to scalar product. Find out the angle between these two vectors. These two vectors means here a vector and b vector. Now first of all, dot product, a cross a dot b is equal to ab cos theta, Vector product, a cross b is equal to ab sin theta. Here first of all listen, answer, find the angle, okay. Here formula a dot b is equal to ab cos theta, and a cross b is equal to here ab sin theta, These are this one here vector product, this one here vector product, here this one here scalar product, okay. Now according to given formula, a cross b is equal to a dot b, Now find out the angle between a and b, vectors here a and b. Now given according to given data here a cross b, modulus of a cross b is equal to a dot b. Now this values here, this formula here substituting. A cross b means, tell me, a cross b, ab sin theta is equal to ab cos theta. Any terms given, cancel terms, ab is a cancel terms, here ab is a cancel. Now simplifies, here sin theta is equal to cos theta, that is equal to here sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 implies here tan theta is equal to 1, theta is equal to tan inverse of 1, tan inverse of 1, here theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 is equal to 45 degrees. 45 degrees. This is the answer. This one here answer. Okay. Here see here ఇప్పుడు చెప్పినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్స్ ఐపీలో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దీస్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ జేఈ మెయిన్స్ అండ్ నీట్. జేఈ మెయిన్స్ అండ్ నీట్ దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ జేఈ మెయిన్స్ అండ్ నీట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇయర్ ఐపీఈ. మీరు ఇది చూసిన తర్వాత దీనికి సంబంధించినటువంటి టాపిక్స్ యూట్యూబ్లో అప్లోడ్ చేసిన చూడండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
All the best.